So, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to explain the ICT trading strategy that I used to use, and it's the easiest trading strategy that you can have, I think, for London session. I still use it in my trading sometimes when I trade London session on forex. Mainly, I trade Euro USD on forex, so it's really high probability. So I think for a lot of you, gonna this is going to help you to find your edge in trading. So let's begin. So what's the trading? We don't. What's the plan here? Asian. We need to look for Asia session. Preferably, it needs to consolidate. Range. Preferably, I think I topped it. I think this is correct pronunciation. I don't know. Don't give a fuck. Okay, so we trade London session, right? From 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. From 2 to 5. This is my time. From 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. This is ICT kill zone, London kill zone. Next, what should we? Yeah, I use entry setup on 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute time frame mainly. I use this time frames mainly, but sometimes it could be even 5 minute time frame. It depends. I'll explain in the video. Um, what do we have more? Oh yeah, for entry, fair value gaps aligned with breaker. The unicorn setup. This is my go-to setup for this for this strategy, and order block, of course, or order block. Fuck. Verbally. So yeah, and don't trade. During London, there's sometimes some days that there's news coming on GBP or Euro or USD. So trade after news if you want to. I don't recommend trading before news because there's no volatility in the market. There's no volume in the market for price to move, and this is that's low probability trading. Don't trade before news during London. I mean red folder news, red folder news. So, uh, yeah, so that's it. Asia, preferably to do range B consolidating like this. Consolidating, we take low, high, low, high. This, this is the go-to model for this. From 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. From 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. This Asian kill zone here. And for more, yeah, I forgot this. For more confirmation, use midnight open. So you guys can screenshot this or remember. I recommend screenshot or do do a plane like this for yourself. You guys need to backtest this. I recommend backtesting this. Don't just go into the market and do this. Backtest this. Like make your eye used to this before doing it on live market or even on a demo, guys. You need to backtest this. Get your eyes used to this, and then maybe do some adjustments in your trading. Maybe some of this is not for you, so you can do your own adjustments as well and make a strategy and plan uh, for you. So let's start. Like uh, in December, I don't even trade December, but it's still there's I saw some good setups as well on December. There's so today, 28th December, yeah, it was today. We have these equal highs here, as you can see, this highs and this Asian high that matches this. So what are we doing here? Onto the London opens, we rally up, we make equal highs here again. So price mm, price runs the liquidity, grabs it, then distributes down, uh, makes a market structure shift. Maybe you can count this as a market structure shift. I don't know. It's up to you. I would preferably count this as a market structure shift, then start trading this. Okay, after this, rally up into this fair value gap. Yeah, you see, we respect this. We come down. We do a market structure shift. Then I would enter somewhere around here. As you can see, price tagged in, would have tagged us in, stops on the high, this high, and TP on the low, opposing liquidity. It's quick and easy once to foreplay, guys. One is easy once to foreplay. Even if you entered here, stop on the high, TP on the low, easy one to four again, 1 to 3.8. So also you need to use midnight open as I said. So we're above midnight open here. So it's good confirmation to have that you want to be a seller above midnight open and buyer below midnight open. So even if you missed this move, if you and even if you miss that move and price tend to be bullish during that day, as it was. Yeah, this is hindsight review, guys, but you can backtest it yourself and see the results. We took the sell side liquidity here. Price rallies up aggressively, disrespects both of these fair value gaps. You could have entered on this fair value gap maybe when we traced here, but even maybe you want a market structure shift that we get here. We had a market structure shift here where we have a big displacement candles coming. So where is the fair value gap? Here, there's a fair value gap. You could have entered couple times. Like how many times? There's so many. Stop below, at least below the uh, candle open, and target the opposing liquidity. 1 to 2. Maybe you could have targeted somewhere something back there, but you could have gotten 1 to 5. But I think 1 to 2 is enough for this. I would do this. Maybe this could have not been the best day for this strategy, but it was not bad at all, because if you entered here and targeted this low, you could have made some money, big money I'm talking. Uh, okay, let's test this now. What do we have here? So what are we waiting? Before London, we're waiting for Asia high to get raided, and as well, and we trade only London session from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. any New York local time. So we come up at 1 a.m. We raid Asian highs. We also before London we raid this high as well. After the raid, you go to 1 minute time frame. Let me remove this. Okay, you go to 1 minute time frame. After this raid, you see London opened here. We rally up again. And where do we make market structure shift? Right here, guys. After liquidity grab, and we're above midnight open. As you can see, we're above midnight open. So it's a good confirmation. Where is the fair value gap? Here, here, and we have We have this up close candles and this breaker here as well. So where do we enter? It's better to enter here, of course, and target the opposing liquidity. We can target lunch low, is an Asian low, but it's not at this exact moment. It's price most likely not going to take out Asian low and continue going up because price is bullish overall. So you need to target low hanging fruits this time. Target this maybe. Target this low maybe. I would have targeted this, not even this. I wouldn't target this. This is the good target for me. Easy 1 to 3, or even easy 1 to 4.5. I'm telling you guys, this strategy is really high probability. It's just you who needs to do this, get on the charts every day, and make your eye used to this. So sometimes there's times that price doesn't take either high or low of the Asia, because you need to look back what Asia range did. As you can see, during Asian session, we rally up, we tap into this fair value gap, as well as we have a buy side liquidity resting here. So we rated highs already. So you can expect this high not to get rated. So you need some analysis, guys, before you go to London. Maybe it can be a pattern trader, but it's not me. So how would I deal with this situation here? I wouldn't expect Asian high to be taken. I would look for any short-term highs to be taken that we get here. We took out this short-term high. Then we consolidate. I would during London, I would still look for a liquidity to be grabbed. As you can see, we take this equal highs here. So I'll go 1 minute time frame now. So after this trade during London session, where do we have a market structure shift? We have market structure shift here. Where is the fair value gap here? You see fair value gap there. And someone's calling me. And what do we have? We have an up close candle, sorry. The order block here as well. So where would you enter? You would enter on this fair value gap and stop on the highs, on the high. Bare minimum is this. Stop on the high, in my opinion, and target the Asian low. Or you can target even these lows here. And price went more than that. So once you could have got an easy 1 to 5, no, easy 1 to 2, easy 1 to 3, and maybe you could have left some runners for 1 to 5. Let's do a couple more. Like 3 days, we won trades. If you did, if you did your analysis, good, and if your psychology didn't affect you, you would have won 3 days in a row with this strategy. So let's do one more. Here, let's do this. As you can see, Asia. What did Asia do? We're ranging, right? Where we not gather. We engineer liquidity. Yeah, that's what it's called. We have equal lows here. Before London, we have equal lows. So this is accumulation, and this is the manipulation phase, and we distribute to the upside. Let's do this manipulation. Manipula. Okay, this manipulation leg of the price. We manipulate these lows. Let's go to 1 minute time frame now. Okay, on 1 minute time frame. Look at this range, you guys. We manipulate all these lows, and we even take out Asian low. Then during London opens, right? What do? We do market structure shift here on this high. Even you can count this high. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. Where is the fair value gap here? What do we have with the fair value gap? We have this CIST as well, the order block, and we have yeah, there's nothing more we need, right? So what I would do, I would enter on this fair value gap, stop on the low, target Asian high. Easy, 1 to 2 guys. And even if you're bullish for the day and you know the narrative and you have a bias, uh, you could have targeted this low, previous daily highs, I think. Yeah, those are the previous daily high, Thursday high, 1 to 3, and price even distributed more and gave you, maybe you left a runner, gave you 1 to 10 risk to reward chance. Let's do some. I want to do. I want to do where I would lose a trade. Yeah, here. I think. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, this is news. I think there was news here. I don't see. But where would I lose a trade? I would miss this sell off because I would wait for this side to be taken that we didn't get, and price didn't even retrace anywhere around here to enter. When we took out Asian lows and this low as well with this wick, price didn't really give me a good setup to trade with. I mean, I'm talking in hindsight. There's a fair value gap here that he could have entered on, but it's not like a A plus setup for me. But he could have done that. Maybe what I would do in this situation on this disrespect on this fair value gap, I could have entered on this inversion fair value gap easily, and my stop would be, yeah, the stop is the problem here. I think stop would fuck me up here because it's really this low is really far away. This is the big ass stop for me to have, and I would target Asian high, this equal highs here. I think this wouldn't be a great day to trade. It might be news. I don't know. I can't see right now. Let's do one more. Yeah, here. That's where you would have lost the trade. Maybe. No, I don't think so. Yeah. No, yeah, we took Asian highs here. Maybe, yeah, you could have definitely lose a trade here. You can definitely lose a trade. We took equal highs here. Uh, also Asia took this high. So if you're bearish here, we're above midnight open. Where is our market structure shift? Mm, Before London, we have market structure shift here, but there's no fair value gap. We raid this high. We take out this liquidity. So then where's the fair value gap here? You could have entered on this. I wouldn't enter on this to be honest, but I'll just explain for you guys to know that you need to have a plan, defined plan to trade this. And I think I think you guys know what I explained now. What I explained now. So yeah, in this situation, look at this. Before London opened, we took out Asian high right here. So this is a protected high. This is protected buy side liquidity here. So you shouldn't anticipate this high to be taken. We have a beautiful order block here with the fair value gap. Maybe you could have taken a short from this on 5 minute time frame. Short here, stop above here, and target this low, even this low. Yeah, easy 1 to 3.6 risk to reward. It's up to you guys. This strategy is really high probability that you might like. Some of you might like it, some of you might not. But I used to trade this and I still use it in my strategy sometimes when I trade London session. So I think some of you might get why did I mark out this fair value again? So some of you might find beneficial and learn something from this video. Okay, I think that's it. Now make your trading plan and find your edge in trading and make it as simple as you can. And trust me in this, guys. You're gonna make more money than you can ever imagine.